Meaning of glee.
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 Glee. Glee is a noun that refers to a feeling of great pleasure or joy, often accompanied by laughter or excitement. It can also describe a sense of triumph or satisfaction over a particular achievement or success. The term is often associated with an exuberant expression of emotion, such as dancing, singing, or jumping for joy. Overall, glee is a state of being that is characterized by unbridled jubilation and a sense of pure happiness, typically brought about by positive experiences or outcomes in life.